Hello everyone. Today, I'll be talking about how to use Google Scholar. This tool helps us find academic and research material easily. Introduction. Google Scholar is a great for students and researchers. It lets us find books, theses, and academic papers in one place. If we learn how to use it well, it can make our research faster and more effective. What is Google Scholar? Google Scholar is a free academic search engine. It helps us find published research papers, theses, books, and even patents. It covers many topics like science, law, and education. Advantages of using Google Scholar. Access to scholarly content. It gives access to trusted sources from universities and research groups. These sources are peer-reviewed, so we know they're reliable for schoolwork. Advantages of free to use. Um, the Google Scholar is hindi na natin kailangan pang magbayad para makagamit tayo ng Google Scholar. The best part of Google Scholar, it is totally free. Some articles may be locked, but many times you can still find free PDF on the side of the page. Advantages of wide and diverse coverage. Google Scholar covers millions of topics from engineering to arts. You can find all kinds of research from around the world in one search. Advantages of citing tracking. Each article shows how many times it's been cited. This helps us see which studies are popular or important. You can even follow the cited by link to see new paper that mention it. Sa makikita natin sa citation, makikita natin o makikita natin kung ilan na ba ang naka-cite ng article na hinahanap natin. Advantages of access to open access and institutional repositories. Even if a paper is behind a paywall, Google Scholar often shows free version from universities, sites, or author uploads. That means we can still read a lot of stuff for free. How to use Google Scholar. 5 easy steps. Step 1. Hanapin lang, isa-search natin sa Google. Ito yung Google. Tapos, isa-search natin sa Google yung Google Scholar. Pagkatapos natin ma-search, ito po yung lalabas. may nakalagay na Google Scholar yung logo. Yung ano. Tapos, step 2, dito po, i-click natin yung tatlong dots, ito yung naka-red na bottom, dito, naka-red na circle, i-click lang natin yan. Tapos, ma-open yan sa menu. From there, you can access your library alerts and settings. Ito po, pwede natin ma-access yung tong library, yung my profile, kung saan tayo, pwede dito sa settings. Dito, sa step 3, dito, pwede din tayong magawa ng ating profile. I-click lang natin tong my profile, tapos pagkatapos natin i-click, ito yung makikita natin, the second picture. Sa 4, dito yung my library. Sa my library, in the library tab, you can save documents and label them by topic. For example, I save AR related papers here. Pwede tayong mag-save ng document at lagyan natin ng label by topic. Dito naman sa alert metrics, sa alert, you can set up alert to be notified when newspaper on your topic are published. Metrics show top journals and paper by year. Ito po, pag ipipindot natin yung metrics, ito po yung lalabas, the second na picture. Pwede din natin i-customize yung Google Scholar settings natin. Ito po siya. In the settings, you can change how results are shown. Set up your library links or adjust your language preference. Ito po yung conducting primary search. Dito po, use keyword to search your topic. You can also filter result by year, relevance, or most cited to get better results. Ito po yung example ng pag-search ng articles. Dito po makikita natin, pwede tayong, like for example, veterinary clinic management system. Pagkatapos po, dito po sa setting advanced search option. Pag i-click natin yon, ito yung resulta. Ang advanced search let you search by authors. Tapos pwede natin ilalagay din po natin yung publication name or exact phrases. At makakatulong ito sa atin na makakuha ng mas better na accurate result. At ito po siya. Pagkatapos natin itong pinapan, ito po yung lalabas. At ito po, yung pwede po din tayong, sa step 5, pwede po tayong gumamit ng and, or, and not, where in your research, pwede tayong gumamit ng and, or, and not, to get the specific result. For example, education and technology will show how paper talks about both. Like this one, pwede po din tayong submerge ng veterinary clinic management system. Understanding research results. After your research, the result page shows citation number, link to full text and author info. Check the cited by link to explore related studies. Limitation of using Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a great, but it doesn't have everything. Some results may be old or not per review, so it's good to check other resources too. Conclusion. Google Scholar makes research easier by learning how to search smart, use features like alert and filters. We can save time and find better resources for our project. And dito na po natatapos ang how to use yung demo ko how to use the Google Scholar. Thank you for listening.